Hey friends, it's Melanie and it is finally time for the best video of the year. It's a haul, okay? You know, fight me on it. It's probably one of my favorite videos. I know it's a lot of people's favorite videos. It is a Black Friday haul. In the past, I have been quite the shopping addict. I've gone a little bit crazy. I'm trying to, combat that a little. I'm actually not going Black Friday shopping because, I don't really want to die. Also, I just feel like it's died down a lot. And also, Black Friday just keeps moving backwards, so all of the sales happen like way in advance and online sales are better and easier. So I'm just going to be showing you guys some stuff that I got in my pre-Black Friday stuff. That way you can also see it sooner and then you can also know about the good deals. So I'm just going to show you guys some things that I've got during this Black Friday season. So technically it's not really a Black Friday haul, yeah, don't fight me on that, please. Either way, I'm just gonna show you guys some cool things that I got, some little steals and such, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this haul. Of course, it's gonna be a try-on. Let's get started. First off, I went to the Adidas employee store not too long ago, which is in Oregon. They just always have great sales. I don't think they do anything for Black Friday since it's already so affordable, but I'll just show you guys what I got. I just got two items. This plain white shirt that just says Adidas on it, and it's kind of like a embroidered little thingy, and then it also has like the classic little stripes on the sleeve, and yeah, it's just a nice plain top, nice basic. I figured I would just wear this either to work out or just as a normal top. I thought it would look nice with like a gold chain, not chain, but like a gold necklace or something like that. Plain basic. I tried to say it at the same time, didn't really come out right. And then I got basically the same thing but in a hoodie form. So this one is just like a light wash gray heathered, and it has the same little embroidered emblem thing, and then it also has the same stripes on the, what's this called, sleeve thingy. It's kind of long. I like my hoodies kind of tucked in, if you know what I'm saying. I have a specific fit in mind, so I think I might do something to this. I might add a little waistband or crop it or something. I'm not really sure yet, but either way, it's a great quality hoodie. They were both half price because employee store. Next off, something that I thrifted, kind of random. No, I thought it was cute. It's yellow, and then this is Cutter and Buck, which is actually a brand my dad shops at, but I thought this was kind of cute. So it's like a little rain jacket pullover. It has a little button up zip up thing in the front, and it has a nice big pocket in the front, and then on the back it also has this huge pocket, which is kind of cool. Navy patch, and then it has navy embroidering where it says Cutter and Buck. It's just really nice quality. It's not very warm or anything, but I just thought it would be a good layering piece. Because our winter is supposed to be really bad. I'm kind of concerned for that because I think I'm gonna freeze and die. It's okay. I thought this would just look cute with some little rain boots or something. I'm not sure. It kind of reminds me of the classic little yellow rain jacket thing. It kind of reminds me of it now that I think about it. Yeah, let's not talk about that. Next off, I'm gonna show you guys some things that I got from Brandy Melville, and Brandy pretty much doesn't have sales ever on Black Friday, which kind of freaking sucks. They should probably change that. They're not going to. I think they just do free shipping, and then I remember one year they did 10% off or something like that. So yeah, I got this little skirt that is plaid. I thought this was perfect for the holiday season / fall season. I absolutely love their mini skirts. They don't look super great on me just because I don't have a butt, and then they're also their stuff is one size fits all. It doesn't really fit all. It doesn't really fit me. Kind of looks not good on me, but ignore that. Then I also got a couple tops. I got this one that says West Coast. This is kind of a spur of the moment. Not really I wouldn't imagine this as my style. Something about it at the moment was very appealing to me. Very kind of retro-y, colorful. It's not very fall-y or Christmassy or wintry at all, but it's fine. I'll wear it over a hoodie. I've actually really been enjoying wearing t-shirts over hoodies. I think it looks kind of cute, and then it's also a great way to get wear out of your t-shirts even when it's cold out. So just life hacks, okay? I also got this top, which is one of my fave. I don't know what the shape is called. It was in my Brandy collection. The little button up scoop neck, and then it also has little ruffles. I think this is a great basic. You can wear it with so many things. You can dress it up or down. I also have these two shirts. These were both in, or all of these things were in my Brandy collection, which if you haven't seen it, you should go watch it because it took so long to film that because I have so much Brandy Melville stuff and it was kind of embarrassing. That's besides the point. I have these two Seattle tops. This one is a t-shirt and it's gray and it literally looks like a 10-year-old boy's top. It's so tiny. I like it and I'm very small so it still fits me fine. It's embroidered and it says Seattle on it. I think this also looks nice with a little like chain kind of thing. And then this is the complete opposite because it's white and then it's long sleeve and it's huge. Like this is literally a dress on me, but I just love the feel of it because it's super like worn in and very, very comfy, which I like. So I could just wear this as like pajamas, which is kind of how I've been wearing it. But I can also wear it out, you know, on top of leggings or something like that. I do that sometimes. Next off, I have this single top from, oh my god, there's a bug on it. I have no clue how my reaction to that was so mellow because usually when I see bugs, I literally freak out. But you know, that time I'm just a little bit tired right now, okay? But this is from this influencer girl who I like. I don't really know what she is anymore. I guess she's an influencer. Her name's Indy Blue. She has a clothing line, The Lonely Ghost something club, and I wanted to, you know, support, and this was one top that I thought was cool. I kind of want to get some more stuff, and I know she's doing like Black Friday sales. She already had like a pre-Black Friday sale. I got this one when it was already on clearance. This is what it looks like. It just says weird. It's just white and green. I don't have like any green closet, and then it just has like a cool design on the back, which I just thought was kind of unique. Nice plain t-shirt. I also got a few other things from Brandy. They're little like accessories. So I got this purse. It's like a little satchel thingy. Very small, but I just thought it's nice, little classy thing. It's kind of like boxy shaped. Yeah, really like this. Great quality. It looks cute. And I got a bunch of little accessories. I got these little clips, which I have yet to wear, but I'm very excited for them. They're just the nice little pearls. Honestly, I don't know if I'm ballsy enough to wear these. I feel like I'll look a little bit too extra. I just don't know if the clip thing is my style just because of my face shape or something like that. Maybe I'll learn ways to style this. I want to get more into doing hairstyles and stuff, especially because, I don't know why I said especially because, but just because I want to look more put together, okay? And then I also have all these little accessories because I want a little ham. Oh, Melanie. I got this chain. Chains just remind me of like e-girls now, but you know, I think there's ways to wear them where I don't look like I'm trying to be a TikTok star. But this is just a nice kind of thicky, not that thick, it's like a medium thickness chain. I think these are good for like layering and such. And then I got 2 pairs of earrings. These ones are a nice little like classy big hoops, and I thought they would look very nice with a sweater or something if I want to look a little more put together. And then I got these star dangly earrings, which I think are adorable. Honestly, at this point, I have so many star accessories. I can like pair everything together. I also have, kind of random, you probably don't care, but I got a bunch of socks, like these Nike socks, and I got them in this like little ankle length, and I actually think the ankle length is so adorable. I know like they look like they'd fit a 10-year-old boy, they probably would, but I think they look very good with like my Air Force Ones, and then you kind of see them popped underneath mom jeans and stuff. But I also just like them because it keeps my ankles warm, and my ankles are always cold. So yeah. I also got some other plain socks from like Amazon or something. For my shoes, these were on sale. I got them from Dick's. A lot of people think they're ugly, but I like them, so I don't care what people think, okay? These are like Air Max 97s, I think that's what they're called. I'm really not like a sneakerhead whatsoever. I know like pretty much nothing about shoes, but I just liked how these look. They have a nice little pop of color. I just think they look kind of funky, fresh.
I sound stupid.
They give me a little bit of height, which is
always a plus.
Now, everything else that I have here,
oh dear goodness,
I forgot. This is also from Brandy Melville, but this is just like a long sleeve sweater-ish top, and it's the same like scoop neck crop top little thing. Forgot about this. Nice basic, love it. It's a nice cream color, which you know, cream is very, very fall. Okay, and now the rest of the items are from PacSun. I have a growing obsession with PacSun, which is not that good because I keep spending my money there, but I'm stopping. I'm actually going on a shopping cleanse.
I swear.
But these few items from PacSun, there were a few sales going on, and then also I know just for Black Friday in general, they usually do like buy one get one free jeans, which is good because PacSun jeans are my favorite. One time a year, you know, try to get in there and get them, because the rest of the year they're like buy one get one 50 or something like that. First off, I got 2 pairs of jeans. These ones were both like on clearance, so they didn't go for the buy one get one, you know, sales. But I got this pair of mom jeans, and they're just light wash and they have nice rips in the knees. I just love PacSun jeans. They just fit so well. They're really comfy. They already feel like worn in. Stiff jeans are a no-go for me. These ones are also like that button-up style, which I usually don't like, but it kind of covers up so you don't see it anyways. I get a bunch of questions about where I get my jeans from. I pretty much always get them from PacSun. I also got this pair of black kind of wash. They're a little bit like distressed wash. Black skinny jeans, and they have nice rips in the knees, and then they're also like distressed straight cut at the bottom, which I really like that style. I've been very into it. Usually I just do it myself and I cut it because my legs are like 2 inches long, so I have to anyways, but these ones already came that way, so that's good. These are like mid-ish rise. Also, if you're wondering, I'm a size like 22 short in PacSun. I also love PacSun jeans because they come in short length. And then the last few items are like jackets, and these were buy one get one 50 when I got it. So first off, I got this little Sherpa one, which I just thought was fun. It reminds me of like winter, I don't know. It kind of reminds me of Canada. That's my roots. I'm going to Canada probably sometime soon. I just really like this little Sherpa thing because I think it's a little bit unique because it has a nice print bun pattern. It also has these little drawstrings, which I don't really know why I would have this. That doesn't really make sense, but I guess it looks cute, so that's pretty cool. And I also like the color combo. It has that nice like terracotta orange color. I sound kind of smart right now. Not really, but it's just navy, and then it has blue and that orange color, and it's also cropped, which we all know Melanie loves her stuff cropped. And then the other jacket I got as a part of that deal is this little corduroy jacket, and then it's fuzzy only in the hood, not in the actual jacket, which kind of sucks, but you know, I'm fine with it because this jacket is like lined very nicely, so it's still very warm inside. That's kind of cool. But I love this color. Cropped, it's super cute. I saw one like this at Urban Outfitters that I really wanted, but it was like $100 at Urban Outfitters, and it was only like $60 at, I don't want to say only because it was expensive, but it was buy one get one. That is this one. It's also cropped because, as we discussed 2 seconds ago, I love cropped stuff. And then the very last item of this haul is a hoodie. It is a Champion hoodie, and it was on sale, which is crazy because Champion never goes on sale. It's just the plain like reverse weave, I think that's what it's called. At this point I know it because I get so many of these, but I really love these. They're like the perfect hoodie. This one, oh gross, what is that? It's like the perfect hoodie. It's fuzzy inside, fits really well, very comfy, and I don't know if you can tell, but this is like an off-white kind of cream color, which I think is just a nice little touch. And I got this in a size extra small, so it's just gonna be like a tiny bit oversized, but a little bit like fitted because it is a women's size. That was it for my pre/Black Friday haul. I got quite a few items, and you know, they were pretty good deals. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and are able to find some good deals as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, it's future Melanie here, and I just wanted to hop on and let you know about an extra special deal that is going on. If you go onto Fabletics site, which you can go onto by checking the link in my description right now, you can get 70% off by becoming a VIP during Cyber Week, which is a crazy good deal. Fabletics has awesome, affordable, and super cute and comfy workout and leisure clothes. Right now I am wearing some of my favorite leggings from Fabletics, so make sure to click that link and get you some Black Friday deals.
Merry Christmas, here I am, boy.